I see a lot of creators posting challenge videos like water gun shootouts or survival experiments, and they're usually just flying blind when it comes to their titles and branding. You end up with a random mess of episode names that don't look like a series, and that makes it way harder for your viewers to actually binge your content. It's a branding nightmare. Right here is how I fix that. This is the Challenge Series Namer, and it takes a single concept and turns it into a professional, repeatable system with a unique hook on every episode. Check out these results. When I run Water Gun Shootout, I get real episode titles, not the same line 5 times. Challenge number 1, Water Gun Shootout, no cover. Challenge number 2, blindfolded. Challenge number 3, team versus team, plus 1 life and finals on 4 and 5, and it drops a hashtag block with tags like hashtag challenge, hashtag challenges Eries, and hashtag gaming. Same series pattern, different twist every video. Let's run a quick test so you can see how it works. I'm coming over here to the tool. In the challenge concept field, I'm going to type in Water Gun Shootout. I'll leave the series name as Casey Builds It. Keep fire/hype for the emoji style, and then I'll hit that generate naming pack button. Give it a second to process, and right there, that's your output. You've got your episode titles with those unique hooks, that emoji set, and your hashtags ready to copy. If you want to save it, just hit export TXT. It keeps everything clean. Now, if you want to use this on your own machine, here is the deal. I built this tool in Cursor. Using Cursor AI to dial in the logic, it is a free Python desktop tool that you can download right now from CaseyBuildsIt.com. Just look under the files or the free tools section, and because I want you to be able to customize it, you also get the build prompt. You can take that prompt, open it in Cursor or any AI you use, and tweak the title patterns or the emoji styles however you like. It's a simple Python app. It runs locally, and it works every time. Go grab it at CaseyBuildsIt.com and stop guessing your titles. I'll see you guys in the next one.